Hello, fellow investors. Mike Ford here from Millennials to Millionaires. And first off, I want to say that you guys are killing it out there for everybody that's got the program and you guys are making money. I see you guys inboxing us every day, telling us how much money you've making. And quite frankly, I'm really proud of you guys. I'm glad that we actually set out to do this. So for anybody that hasn't gotten the course, we still have it on sale. But today I wanted to do a video pretty much talking about one of the things I talk about in the course, which is using social media to make money. All right. And you got to definitely know where to fit in, where you can help out and where your dollars can go to make you more money. All right. So what I went ahead and did was I pulled up an article based on this body cam company that I bought a few years ago in 2014, right? So in 2014, it was a rough year. We had a lot of stuff going on, negative things going on. And for the most notable thing was there was a mass shooting in Connecticut, right? Now that happened a little later in December. However, this wasn't the first mass shooting. This was actually the second or third in that year. So what I started paying attention to, my friends and I, we started paying attention to where we can fit in, right? And Obama was calling for what is now known as like more, strict gun laws and things like that. But before we even got that far, he was actually just wanting more of the local police departments to buy these body cams. Now, they don't just protect the cop, that protects the citizen as well. So my friends and I, we found this company, DGLY, right? And that was Digital Ally, right? And what they did was they were making these body cams, and they were the ones that were supplying the local law enforcement with these body cams, right? So we went ahead, put $500 in there a piece, right? Now I'm going to show you on TD Ameritrade what that looks like. So right around the time that we bought it, it was roughly around May. We bought it around May, and if you looking at May, the actual close, let me see if I can get this for you. Let's just say right here was $4.46, right? So $4.46, right? So imagine we bought that in May, and after a few months, and Obama started getting traction with getting those police departments to buy those cameras. Look what happened in September. In September, we got up as high as $25. All right, so imagine that's $500 that you just made and you just multiply it, okay? So when I'm talking about making money, there's different ways of doing it. You don't have to be a rocket scientist to make money. You just have to follow trends. So I challenge each and every one of you, take our course, learn something, and then go from there, all right? Because there's money on the table and you can be a part of a solution. Because guess what? Those body cams, I don't care if you're on pro cop, you're on pro citizen, pro Black Lives Matter. It doesn't matter at that point, because guess what? Those cameras are recording everything. They're not just recording the cop, they're recording a citizen as well. So it protects everyone. So I challenge you all to look into whatever's going on in society today in 2018 and see where you can fit in, all right? Hit us up. And remember, go to M2 Millionaires, because we have the free course, and you can definitely take that course and learn how to invest just like the rest of the students out there that are killing it in the game, all right? Talk to you guys later.